Looking for a gift that's as stylish as your relationship? The one that's not just another last-minute grab? Let's be real. Flowers, chocolates, and generic stuff? Yeah, they're fine. But they're not what's going to make an impact. They last for an hour, maybe a week if you're lucky? What makes a great gift? Fancy, sure, but it should also carry meaning, something that brings you closer. And the key? Make it a surprise, because surprises always make receiving gifts feel even more special. Now, imagine a gift that does all of that. Here's what you need. Pintura digital frame. Not just a frame. This is where your memories get to shine. And trust me, it's way more than just a gift. First up, it's unique. Imagine uploading all those special moments, the spontaneous beach trip, the wild night out, before you even gift it to them. It's a personalized experience, packed with memories from the start. Next, value. Flowers die in a few days, chocolates are gone in an hour. But Pintura? This is a gift that keeps on giving. It stores photos, videos, and keeps memories fresh, all with a sleek, modern design. It's not a one-time thing, it's a constant reminder. It's about connection. Whether you're sending a spontaneous pic or a surprise video, Pintura helps you stay close. Share your world in real time, no matter where you are. Let's be honest, you want a gift that looks good. And Pintura's design? Absolutely stunning. Super slim frame and tons of options. For custom styles, it's modern, sleek, and totally on point. Sending pics? Easy. Just tap the app and the photo's live on your loved one's frame. No hassle, no delays, just pure connection. And the best part, it fits anywhere. Desk, nightstand, living room, wherever. It's the perfect balance of function and style, and it just works in any space. So why settle for a one-time gift when you can give something that keeps bringing joy every day? Pintura, where your memories come to life again and again.